Andrew Dye here from Unity Homes on the site of a Unity Xyla style project in Rindge, New Hampshire. I thought it'd be interesting to check in on progress here because this design is actually very similar to a Xyla that we completed recently in Alstead, New Hampshire, and I thought it might be interesting just to compare this one sort of as a demonstration of how Unity's design system works using the same basic components but getting configured in different ways to meet the particular needs of sites and clients and budgets. You can see here the main core of the Xyla there in the distance, that 28-foot by 32-foot core, and then the 12 by 16-foot connector that connects the house to the garage, and then this entry porch to provide a nice protected covered entryway, and then the garage here, which is actually extra deep. In the rear of the garage there's a storage area that's been separated off with a partition wall. Because this house is built on a slab, it's nice to be able to take advantage of some garage space for storage because there's no basement and there's no attic. The house looks relatively unassuming from the front here. You've got that basic core of the Xyla, and then in the back of the main volume you can just see a bit of that master bedroom bump out that extends from the rear of the house. Here's a view from the back side of the house showing that master bedroom bump out, and then you can see the garage in the distance to the right with the mini split compressor mounted on the rear of the garage. And another view of the rear of the house. Looks much more substantial from this side. That entry door is not a Unity entry door. Typically we will pre-install all of the windows and all but one of the doors in the wall panels in the shop. We leave one door out for construction access so that the finished door doesn't get beat up during construction. We'll replace this door with the actual entry door closer to the completion of construction. Let's take a look inside. So here we are in the connector. It's a little dark, but over here to the left is mechanical space with the electric panel. Looks like the water heater may be going in here. And then to the right of that mechanical space, we've got a pocket door set up. It looks extra wide until it gets sheetrocked. This is going to be a utility area with laundry. Coming now into the main volume of the house from the connector. We've got that same kitchen, dining, living area that is common in the Xyla and that you may have seen in the Alstead Xyla that we documented. Like that Xyla, this house has a truss-framed roof, which means that the air barrier and the insulation are at the ceiling level, this 9-foot high ceiling. You can see that the wall cassette for the heating and cooling system in this space, the mini split system, has been roughed in. This house has that same alcove in the kitchen here, which will get the refrigerator and some cabinets. There's not direct access to that bedroom beyond from this main living area, but instead the door to that bedroom is accessed through this hallway. There are double doors here that will go out to a future deck or a patio. Here's another look at where the kitchen will be. The electricians are just finishing up with the rough wiring, taking advantage of the holes that we pre-drill in the shop in the studs for the wiring on the interior partitions, and then also taking advantage of the notching that we do on these insulated walls to facilitate the wiring. So you can see we've laid out all the cabinets on this tape. That recess will be for the range hood vent. This conduit that I just almost tripped over will be feeding an outlet for the island in the kitchen. And And that yellow cap on the floor is covering the wiring for a floor outlet. This window ended up high to fit a piano underneath it. A little custom design touch there. And you can see some of the ductwork in this soffit. That's for the ventilation system, the Minotaur system that's providing continuous fresh air to the house. You'll see that we've insulated some of these interior partitions for sound attenuation. This wall is enclosing a mechanical space where the ventilation system is located, and over here we've got a bathroom that's been sound insulated. A little hard to see here, but here's that Minotaur ventilation system that's also providing some heating and cooling to the bedrooms. So here we are in one of the 3 bedrooms. And this bedroom will get a closet here that's been framed up. Across the hallway we've got another bedroom. And this bedroom also has a closet. The duct above the closet is bringing fresh air into the bedroom. And we'll head down the hallway to the primary bedroom suite. It's here, a little bit more removed from that central living area of the house. And we've got an ensuite bathroom here, and then a generous walk-in closet there to the left. So all the plumbing's been roughed in, the rough wiring is in place, the HVAC is in place, and this house is about ready for sheetrocking. Here's the shower unit. And another view of this bedroom. And we'll head back into the main living area. And I think that'll do it for this quick tour of a Unity Xyla project with all the mechanicals roughed in, ready for sheetrock here in Rindge, New Hampshire. What do you say, Blue? Should we head home?